Hey guys, this is how to disable show post from my feeds on Bluesky app. So first thing that you will do is, of course, open up the Bluesky application into your device and just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen or the hamburger icon, and a side tab will show up. And just simply go ahead and go to the settings. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the content and media. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on following feed preferences. And down below, you should be able to see here experimental. So guys, as you can see, show samples of your save feeds in your following feed. So just simply make sure to turn this off in order for you to disable show posts from my feeds on the app. Or you can just simply toggle the others as well, which is repost, and you can disable the replies and the show codes as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And from here, you should be able to have a control over your feed preferences. There you go. See ya.